Hello everyone. I built a custom keyboard, man. It was epic. At the end I do a sound test. It was kind of a struggle because it was my first time, but overall I would say I'm happy. Enjoy. Bam. What keyboard are you? For this build I'll be using Akko's, yes, vintage white switches. They're pretty light. You don't need a lot of force to like press them, but I think this is real clacky, and it's kind of what I was looking for. It's so good. Instead of normal keyboards, the keyboards hold together by many clips in the front and the back. There's only one lone screw at the back. I think it's in a cool new design, but I'd rather prefer screws because they break off pretty easy. Since my keyboard, I broke 2 of them, but it's not too big of like a thing you notice. So it's, for me it's fine, but maybe for some perfectionists it's kind of annoying. It took me pretty long like to get all the clips to work with me, but Apple Maker said in their website it's not like meant to be modded or open, so kind of makes sense. I don't know. Like any keyboard, it consists out of a PCB, a plate, and a case. The case was pretty hollow, so I tried to foam mod it today when I'm recording this. I broke the keyboard a bit, but it's fine for me because I can just clip off some things and it works again. It has plate mounted stabilizers and a kill hot swap plate, so you don't need to solder or desolder stuff because I don't have a soldering iron. What is it? It is kind of... The stabilizer has been clipped, lubed with dielectric grace. It's not really like Permatex, but it worked. That's all that matters to me. They're also band-aid modded, but I'm not sure what it does, but it just sounded good, alright? People did it, so I just tried it as well. This took me quite a long time because it's my first time building a custom keyboard. So while streaming I just looked up tutorials left and right. But I think that's normal for your first time. Okay, someone get this clear to me. But how do you cut a band-aid? It is the hardest thing ever, man. It's so hard. I really tried, but then like the band just kept like folding and folding. It's so annoying. I just ended up using so many band-aids, man. It was a messy process, and until the day of recording the sound of this, like the voiceover and shit, man, there's still like little band-aid things hanging around my room. Man, someone explain this. I tried to foam mod it with some random foam for like swimming pools. It did not go well, it didn't fit, the PCB wouldn't go down, and I was pretty sad because it's still too hollow. So I went to actually a local like Walmart thing, the Home Depot shit, and I got some sound damping foam, but it was very thick, so I pushed the PCB in too hard and broke 2 clips of the keyboard. It's pretty sad, I know. Here's the sound test, and I'm really happy with the results, man. This could not have turned out better. Except for my FN key, it makes a bit weird sound. It goes like... But yeah, who uses FN anyways, am I right?